This beautifully updated home is ideally located in one of Lake Oswego's best neighborhoods. This premium location is within walking distance to parks, top-rated schools, and includes access to the Lake Easement to Palisades Park Community Club and Lake Grove Swim Park. Backing to a tranquil green space, you'll come home to a peaceful, serene setting. Discover a thoughtfully renovated home with brand new modern finishes, trendy colors, LVP flooring, cozy fireplaces, and tall ceilings. The large deck overlooking the landscaped yard is perfect for year-round entertaining. The updated kitchen features all new hardware, stainless steel appliances, and tons of storage. This home lives large with nearly 2,400 square feet and includes a private primary suite with an updated ensuite bath. You'll find 2 more large bedrooms on this level, plus another updated full bath. Downstairs, in the second living room with new carpet, you can relax by the fireplace. Plus, you'll find another bedroom and full bath. From the inviting deck overlooking the green space, you can entertain or enjoy friendly wildlife. The oversized garage includes space for ample storage. This coveted location is just minutes from Lake Oswego's finest amenities, including the future Recreation and Aquatic Center. Truly a move-in ready treasure. It's all here on Park Road and ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.